Biden's US Citizenship Bill 2021 promises a lot to students who are or planning to study in US universities under F1 visa. There are three major points for students who are on F1 visas or aspiring to study in US. Extensions for F1 OPT status with EAD for green card applicants. Clarifying dual intent for F1 visa applicants. Doctoral STEM graduates from accredited United States universities. Let's look at the official draft of the US Citizenship Act 2021, which will be introduced in the Senate and House of Representatives sometime soon. Both drafts are exactly the same, of 353 pages. In Senate, New Jersey Senator Bob Menendez will introduce this bill, whereas California Democrat Linda Sanchez introduces it in the House of Representatives.
The Citizenship Act is the vision of President Biden to remake our broken immigration system and to fix the choke points once and for all. We have these seemingly cruel and unusual and strange bottlenecks within the system, and what this bill would do is completely revamp our legal immigration system.
All these 3 points you can find under Title 3, Reform of the Immigrant Visa System, and Subtitle D, Reforming Employment-Based Immigration. Under Section 3410, Extensions for F1 OPT status with EAD for green card applicants. Currently, with an F1 visa, you can get 1 year of OPT or work authorization. With STEM courses, you can apply for a 24 months or 2-year extension 90 days prior to the expiration of the first year of OPT. After this act, F1 students on OPT with green card process, that is, who have pending labor certification with Department of Labor applied before 365 days of expiration of F1 status, or with pending or approved I-140 will be given F1 visa extensions. They will also be given EAD to continue working until they get a decision on their green card application. Essentially, the OPT-related EAD will be extended in increments of 1 year until you get a green card. This is going to be similar to H-1B extensions done with approved I-140. With this becoming a law, F1 students will no longer needing to try luck for the H-1B lottery or even H-1B. Under Section 3408, Clarifying Dual Intent for Post-Secondary Students. Currently, students at a visa interview need to prove or convince the visa officer that they will come back to their home country after studies in the US. After this act, they can show the dual intent to settle in the US or go back to their home country. Similar to H-1B visa, they can settle down there and apply for green card. Visa officers cannot reject visas on immigrant intent. Under Section 3401, Doctoral STEM graduates from accredited United States universities. Currently, with a PhD degree, one can file self-petition for US green card in EB1 Extraordinary Ability category EB1 1A or in EB2 National Interest Waiver EB2 NIW without US employer to sponsor one's green card application in these categories. Per year, 40,040 green cards are allocated in EB1 category and 40,040 in EB2 category. After this act, as per the introduced bill draft text, there are no numerical limits set on the individuals applying for green cards with a doctoral PhD degree in science, technology, engineering or mathematics from accredited US universities. That means STEM PhDs would not be bound by the annual caps established for employment-based or EB green cards. Now, when this bill becomes the law or when these immigration reforms come into play, only time will tell.